Today, we're diving into the Soundcore P30i by Anker noise-canceling earbuds, packing powerful bass, active noise cancellation, and a 45-hour playtime for a budget-friendly price. Let's break down the highs and lows. First, the design. These earbuds look sleek in black or green, and they're lightweight for all-day comfort during commutes or workouts. The IP54 rating handles dust and light splashes, perfect for outdoor use. The 2-in-1 charging case doubles as a phone stand, ideal for video calls or streaming. But, the glossy case scratches easily, and the IP54 rating isn't great for heavy water exposure. Smaller ears might struggle with fit, too. Sound quality? The 10mm drivers deliver punchy bass, great for hip-hop or EDM. The Soundcore app offers 22 EQ presets and custom profiles. Android users get LDAC for high-resolution audio. However, bass can overpower classical tracks, needing EQ tweaks. iPhone users miss out on LDAC, and there's no aptX support. The Smart ANC blocks traffic noise like a champ, and transparency mode keeps you aware during conversations. But ANC falters with high-pitched sounds, and transparency mode has a slight hiss in quiet settings. Battery life shines with 7 hours per charge with ANC, 10 without, and 45 hours with the case. USB-C and wireless charging are handy, with a 10-minute charge giving 2 hours. Downsides? The case's battery indicator isn't precise, and wireless charging is slow. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable connections, with multi-point device switching. Calls are clear with AI-enhanced mics, but windy conditions disrupt quality, and there's no low-latency gaming mode. Overall, the P30i earbuds offer killer value under $30 with strong bass, long battery life, and a versatile case. They don't match premium brands, but they're perfect for budget-conscious users. For purchasing or more details, check the link in the description. Love this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights.